Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Candace Flynn from Phineas and Ferb. Cannot wait for the new season to come. Sorry, I'm like the biggest Phineas and Ferb fan. I know Candace's hair is not like this, but her hair does have a swoop at the back, so let's get started. I used just this one in no bangs, and I just colored it this orange color. Then I chose this one in only bangs in this color. For the shirt, for the top, you can use either the VIP or the non-VIP like top here. I'm just going to choose this non-VIP one in this color, C24739. This skirt, and then this for the belt. For the shoes, I'm just going to use this one in white, and then add socks, color it matte, and color it the same as your shirt. And you can add like a pink phone for, you know, props, I guess. She's always on her phone trying to call mom. I'm just going to color it this pink because that's the color of her phone, but that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.